and welcome back to my channel. And the tutorial of this look right here, I swatched the shadow here just in the end because I swatched the only shadow that I didn't use out of this Temptation collection by Looxi. I did receive this collection as PR. I am affiliated with Looxi and I have a code with them, and I will leave that down below. I got this collection sent to me and it was lost in the mail for so long, longer than a month. It's been to Canada and back. And Jessica, the owner of Looxi, lives in the States, so I have no idea why I went to Canada and then to another European country before getting to me, but it's here now. And I did this look. I used all of the shadows but this tealy one right here that I actually swatched. I just swatched it now in the beginning. I always film the beginning before I film the end. It's a bit awkward, but honey! You never know, but yeah, it's just a tutorial. It's a tutorial of this rainbow look right here. Actually, funny story. I think about 2.5 years ago I did a rainbow look like this. I did a going from like purple to blue to green and then yellow, orange, red. I did something like that with a cut crease with some white on the lid, and that was like 2.5 years ago, and I've been dying to like do a rainbow look again since then. And when I got this collection I was like, this is the perfect time to do a look like this. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, but let's just get into the look. Okay, so it's time to play with some thingies, and I'm gonna put my hair up so that I can put my ring on so that I can come a bit closer. I'm gonna play with the Temptation collection by Looxi. It is absolutely stunning. It's really beautiful. I think I'm gonna try and use as many as possible, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna do something that's like purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So I think I'm gonna use all of the shades. Oh, itchy. All of the shades except the turquoise one, or like the tealy one. The tealy color down here. So I think I'm gonna save that one. Or is it turquoise? Is turquoise and teal the same thing? Let me know. And I am gonna go in with some lighter Looxi colors before, because I think it's gonna be really hard if I go in with that one first, because I do know that the Looxi mattes do build on each other. So I brought up all of my Looxi palettes. Yes, all of them. And I think I'm gonna start with something like a mauve pink first. Let me look. I honestly don't know where the rest of these are. They're out and about. I think I'm gonna start with this one, just to have something to begin with. This is Pretty as a Peach. I'm gonna start with that on this eye, just a bit in the crease to have something to start out with, because I think that that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna take my time. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my time and I'm gonna use that in the crease. I think that's gonna be something good to begin with. I want to do something on the other eye as well, and I think I'm gonna use something that's just slightly warmer, because I am gonna go in with some oranges and yellowy colors. So I'm gonna use this one. It is Pumpkin Spice Life. It is pretty, actually this one is pretty pigmented, so I'm gonna take as little of my brush as possible. And I'm just gonna work that into the crease. I mean, the creases are pretty similar now. It's just a more mauve tone here and a more yellowy tone here. So I think that with that I am gonna go into these colors. I don't know the names of these on the top of my head, so I'm gonna put the names of the shadows down below, but I'm gonna use all of them except this one, pretty much. And it's basically a matte and a shimmery color, like corresponding to each other. And I'm gonna start with the purpley one, and I'm gonna put that... Yes, sweetie? Yes? Come, Satnose. Psst, 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 psst. I'm gonna start with the purple, and I'm gonna put that in my outer corner and the outer part of my crease. Yes, sweetie? This is a Hakuhodo J5529. It's like a longer and a bit more fluffy pencil brush. Sweetie! Psst, 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 psst. Kolla, Satnose. Kolla, Satnose. She's at the part in her life where she really wants to have kittens. but we're actually gonna sterilize her in about 1.5 months. She doesn't know that though, so don't tell her, but listen to her. Sweet baby. You know what? I'm just gonna put some music over this, and I'll just put the purple, the blue, and the green, and I'll see you in a bit. I'm actually finding that the blue and the purple is like very purple, but I'm finding that the blue is and the green is actually very similar on the eyes. Maybe if you use them just one by one, they wouldn't be like that, but actually like on the eyes, they're quite similar. So I think I'm gonna use, and also I want to lighten this green up a bit. So I think I'm gonna use a bit of green apple. Looks like this. It is a color that is, she said it was discontinued, but then I have seen it so many times on her site, so maybe she has decided to bring it back. It is often out of stock though, because it's such a great color. So I'm gonna use this to make this color more green and to lighten it up a bit. Where did the cat go? Oh, she's on the floor. Just to make this a bit more green, and also I know that the yellow one that I'm gonna have over here is not as dark as the green one is, so I think that this will match better. And then I'll put a bit more of the blue in the middle. So that's what I'm doing. I actually think that I'm just gonna finish this one up and just see how it ends up. So I'm putting the purpley shimmer here on this side. And this is without spraying it. That's really pretty. The only part that I'm not liking is the upper part here. So I think I'm gonna use a bit of the mauve one that I had from before, just to blend out this part a bit. I think I'm gonna use some kind of highlighter color for this look actually. What do I want to use? Not sure. I'm gonna use the same highlighter though on both of these looks, so it's in the bottom of the pile. I have so many Looxi palettes here, like just look at this. I have so many Looxi palettes here because I was like, I want to be able to have all of the shades in front of me if I want to use them. I'm going to use this one that's called Stiletto, which is what this pale yellowy gold here. It's like a duochrome. So I'm going to use that in my inner corners. Maybe I'll use a bit of that on my brow bone as well. That's really shimmery though. So not my style. Oh god, I hate that. That is so not my style. How do people do this? Yes, sweetie? Why do people use shimmery colors on their brow bone? It's absolutely horrible. Oh my god, I hate that. I need to put something over that. One second. I'm just gonna use the base color from the Norvina palette, that like matte beigey thing, and hopefully cover some of the shimmeriness up. That was not attractive. Maybe I can get away with that. Okay, let me try and do the same on the other eye. I'll put some music on again. Let me put the Norvina palette over here. And I'll just do the same on the other eye so we can get this show on the road. Okay, I'm gonna do the same on the lower lash line as well as I've done on top. So I'm just going like red, orange, yellow, green, yeah, you know. I'm also gonna put some of that light green on this eye as well, just to mimic what I had going on, like under my eye as well, just to mimic what I had going on top. It is a full-on circus here, I'm telling you. Okay, and I'm gonna take a little bit more of that inner corner highlight just to really intensify this look. I think this is pretty cool. It is a bit muddy up here. I could probably have used a bit more shadows to get it to look better, to be honest. I'm gonna intensify this purple just a little bit out here in the outer corner. It's always hard to make a lot of colors go together without being muddy. It's always easier to make them look a little bit muddy when you're using a lot of colors. I am gonna do something white in my waterline. I'm gonna use a little bit of black liner and some mascara, and I'll be right back and show you how it looks before I put the falsies on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me take the headband off. This is what it looks like before I put my falsies on, and let me see if I can like scooch this out a bit. I am really happy with this look. Let me freaking tell you how beautiful this look is. It's so pretty, it's so cool, and my hair is looking bomb. My hair is looking bomb. Let me put the falsies on. I think I'm gonna put the original Iconics on because I love the Iconics with looks that are like more cat shaped. They fit my eye style a lot because I have very deep set eyes, and I also like prominent sockets. Is that what you say? I also have a bit more downturned eyes, so the Iconics really lift my eye shape when I have these kind of more cat-shaped thingies. That's not the proper word, but let me put the falsies on and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is the finished look. That is the look with the Temptation collection by Looxi. I used all of the colors but the tealy one down here. I think I'm saving that one. It is beautiful though. Let me swatch it so you can see. Like, it is stunning. It is absolutely stunning, and I'm saving that one maybe for my like all-in teal. Maybe I can use that for my all-in teal. Can I? I think I can. I might actually. That is a beautiful color. But yeah, that was everything for this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I'd love to have you here. I do upload quite a lot of videos. Now in December, it is every single day, so don't forget to come back tomorrow because there's another video then. And I'll see you then. This was awkward. Bye!